So what is this part? Okay.
The current, something like that.
So when you get into here, okay. So stomach like this way. This what is this structure?
Greater momentum.
This is greater curvature. It's a lesser curvature. Okay. So this is connect to the heart part. So this cardio. Okay. So this is, we can call it cardio sphincter. Okay, like this way. Okay. So this will be body. Okay, and so this will be what is it called this part? This is the pyloric region, right? Okay. So there's another sphincter here. You can see there's another sphincter here. This is connect to what part? Okay. Duodenum, right? Okay. So this will be going to the small intestine. So going to the small intestine here. Okay. So you can see from the mouth. From the mouth will be going to the pharynx first and going down to the esophagus here. Okay. So esophagus will be here. Okay. So okay. So and then going to the stomach. And from the stomach will be going down. Stomach going down to small intestine, duodenum, and the second part of small intestine called what? Yeah. Small intestine has 3 parts. Okay. Three parts. What's the sequence for the small intestine? Okay, duodenum, jejunum, and then ileum. Okay, and then you have get into the large intestine. So we have the so this okay. So this ileum part get into the large intestine part. Okay. So large intestine part. So now you can see a little bit here, right? Okay. Okay. So appendix here. Okay. So this is called the ileocecal valve there. Okay. So there's a structure because this connecting to the small intestine, yeah, ileum connecting to the cecum here. Okay. And then so this is called what you call this part? Ascending colon, right? Ascending colon, and then what you call this one? Transverse colon, okay. And then what you call this one? Descending colon, and then what you call this one? Sigmoid colon, right? Okay. And sigmoid colon, and going down here, sigmoid going down here, and going to this one will be and sigmoid colon going down will be what name? Yeah. Rectum, right? Okay. Rectum, and then will be going up, will be anus there. Okay. So this major so the alimentary canal we call it alimentary canal or GI tract. Okay.
Yeah.
So GI tract or GI. What does GI stands for here?
Gastrointestinal.
Okay, gastrointestinal. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's you got, and then so now you see the liver here. Liver. How many lobes for human here? Okay.
3, 4.
5, 6, 7.
Okay, so you have one big lobe here, you have one lobe here, and you have small piece here. One here, okay, one here, okay. So you need to go back to your check how many lobes there, okay.
Okay.
And okay, and because next time when you dissect the cats, you also need to know how many lobes in the cats, okay. So this one you're supposed to know because you need to read through those things, okay. And then from here, so now you know what is this one?
Hepatic portal.
This one, okay.
Is this superior? Superior.
When you see this green one, you can think, what is this? Okay, like this, right? So,
Inferior vena cava.
okay, so it's basically inferior vena cava, right? You can see this one. So when you see three lines here, so what will you call these 3? Okay.
Hepatic portal.
What is 3 here? Okay. So this artery, red is artery, this
Vein.
is a vein, and this will be the bile duct here, okay? So right, so this is going to the gallbladder, okay? So this is gallbladder, okay? And then so going through the gallbladder, so now so this one will going down to the small intestine, okay? We're down to the small intestine here. So the transport, because gallbladder is going to store the bile, the liver produce bile stored in the gallbladder. And then whenever it's needed, it's going to constrict, it's going to contract and to push the bile into the small intestine. Okay. What the bile does here?
It breaks down fat.
So maybe next time we talk about. So this help the digestion the fat. Okay. The bile is kind of a detergent. Okay. It's help digestion the fat. Okay. So what is this one? This
Pancreas.
Yeah, this is pancreas. Okay. What does the pancreas do here? What does pancreas do here? Because you can recognize the structure and you need to know the function, right? Okay. So what does the pancreas do?
Secretes insulin.
Secrete insulin will be endocrine function. Okay, you have endocrine function will be secreting insulin, and the glucagon will be endocrine function. Okay,
Pancreatic juice.
but you also have the exocrine function. Okay, what the exocrine, endocrine, what the endocrine, what the exocrine? You know, endocrine is secreting the hormones. Exocrine in that case is it's secreting pancreatic juice that contains lots of enzymes. Okay, so you remember that anything coming out of the stomach will be acidic, right? So
Yeah.
pancreas, so very acid. You know, in the stomach is very acid. So it's coming out, going to the small intestine, and the pancreas will secrete lots of pancreatic juice. So that will basic alkaline. So that will quickly going to the small intestine will neutralize the acid things. Okay, and the pancreas also produce all the enzymes, lots of enzymes. They can digest any food. Okay, so that's including the digesting the starch, protein, and fat, and also the nucleotides there. Okay, so the pancreas produce all the enzymes to do it. Okay, so liver, pancreas, and the salivary gland will be on top there. Okay, so will be the glands that help to produce something secretions to help digestion. Okay, for chemical digestion. So now you know what the large intestine. So you see the diagram there. What is a large intestine? So if I say,
Absorption of water.
so how many parts in the large intestine? Yeah?
3.
3 parts. Okay. Okay. So so how many? Okay. So can you count? How many parts for the large intestine? Because small intestine, we said we have 3 parts of small intestine, right? So large intestine, how many parts here?
3, 5, no?
Okay, you can count. You can so whatever you can count, right? Okay.
Ascending, transverse.
So you're starting from the
Sigmoid.
large intestine, starting from where?
The second.
Cecum, okay. Cecum, because it's cecum ileum, ileum cecum valve there, okay. So connecting to the small intestine, and then we'll be ascending colon, right, and transverse colon, and descending colon, and sigmoid colon, and rectum, okay. Okay.
5 parts.
Okay, so it's okay if you colon you combine into one, maybe okay too, yeah, okay. Because ascending, transverse, descending, okay, combine into one as a colon, right? Okay. So it's okay too, yeah. Okay. So that's basically for those are the large intestine. That was on our picture also, yeah. That's on your lab menu, okay. So that's basically the models. You need to know recognize the structure and then know some of the basic functions, okay. So and also because last time, next week, in the morning I saw in the lecture I also talk about the digestive system, right, in the lecture, and the afternoon will be the afternoon will be some of the lab exams. So some of the lecture content will be useful for the exam also, yeah, okay. Because for the functions, those things, okay, structure and functions, because we for the lecture we only get to the esophagus part, and we are going to talk about the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and what the physiology for those parts. Okay. Because next week the lecture will complete the lecture for the digestive system.